Updating your payment information on your American Express account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to payment information. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Profile section. Click on it to find options related to payment methods. Step 3. Select the Update Payment Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter new payment details. Fill in the required fields with your new payment information such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment details, review the information for accuracy. Click the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. Make sure to check your email for a confirmation message from American Express regarding the update. Keeping your payment information current helps ensure uninterrupted service.